In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Loop language. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to add the language you prefer inside the Loop web app, all without any guesswork. Start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Loop. This is the quickest way to get to the official site, especially if you don't have the URL handy. In the search results, look for the official Microsoft Loop page that mentions it as a collaborative app in Microsoft 365 and click that result. This ensures you're going to the genuine site rather than a third-party article. On the Microsoft Loop page, choose Get Started with Loop. If you already have a Microsoft account, sign in with it. If you don't, go ahead and create one. It only takes a moment and you'll need an account to access your workspace. After you're signed in, you'll land in the Loop web experience at loop.cloud.microsoft. Now, look to the top right corner of the page for the Settings gear icon. This icon is your gateway to personal preferences. Click the gear to open the quick menu, then select Settings. If your screen is zoomed in or you're on a smaller display, you may need to scroll within the menu to see the full list. Just make sure you click Settings to open the full panel. Inside Settings, find and open the Languages section. This is where you control the languages available for the Loop interface and related experiences. Click Add another language. You'll see a list or a selector for languages. If there's a search box, use it to quickly find the language you want, otherwise scroll through the list until you see it. Next, click on the language you want to use. Take a moment to confirm you've chosen the correct variant if there are regional options. When you're confident in your choice, click Add to Confirm. Loop will add that language to your preferences. Depending on your environment, you may see the interface update, or it may take a quick refresh of the page for changes to fully appear. A couple of tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the languages option, double check that you're signed into the web app and not viewing a cached page. Also, some organizational settings can affect which languages are available. If something looks off, try a different browser or clear your cache, then sign back in. And that's it. You've successfully added a new language in Microsoft Loop.